Weather, climate, and adaptation of animals to climate. Children, this is your chapter number 7. In this chapter, we will learn about weather and its element, climate and the factors that affect climate, the influence of climate on animal adaptation, as well as predators protection mechanism. Children's, you must have watched on the television or read in newspaper about the weather report and some news like flights being cancelled because of bad weather, and if cricket match it is going on and suddenly the weather become cloudy and then it is followed by heavy rain, then what happens, the cricket match get cancelled and you often feel disappointed as the match has to be called off. And this on the contrary, fishermen they consider a windy day to be lucky for them as it is favorable weather to sail on their boat and spread their net to catch fish. So about weather report, weather news you have seen in the television or in the newspaper, you have studied the weather news, daily forecast of the weather. Okay, so that is weather: hot, humid; cold, windy; dry, cloudy. These are all parameters of weather and tell us what the weather is like. Sometimes we say the weather today weather is very hot and humid. Sometimes we say that today the weather is very cold. And if wind is blowing very fast, then we say the weather is windy. And sometimes it is dry. When clouds are there, then we say cloudy. Weather changes have a great impact on our lives. So before planning for activities like organizing a school sports or organizing any functions or going out for vacation to hill station or going out to some other place, now it is very important to know weather condition in advance, and generally we are aware about the weather condition. Newspaper publish weather reports and weather forecasts daily for the benefit of all. Daily we can see the Google also for the weather report, weather update, and I think every person's watch Google report about the weather conditions for the next 3 days in advance. Weather report is it is also an integral part of the news bulletin in television and radio. Whenever you are watching news in television or listening news in radio, you always hear weather report. That is an integral part, and with the help of satellite they are represented weather report in a beautiful way. In a pic, a sample of the week's weather report from the newspaper cutting. It is shown. It is the weather report from 14th December 2018 to 20th December 2018. Children, you can note down here in the weather report maximum temperature, minimum temperature, moonset, sunset, sunrise, and humidity, chances of precipitation. These are indicated. You can also collect newspaper cuttings for the weather report for the 1 week, and you can paste it in your notebook. Now, children, the day-to-day atmospheric condition at a place with respect to factors such as temperature, humidity, and rainfall. So this is called weather. Weather means day-to-day atmospheric conditions at a place with respect to temperature, humidity, and rainfall. And weather condition, these are temporary and can change over short period of time. In the morning, the weather may be very hot and sunny, and in the afternoon it may be cloudy, or after some time it become rainy. So the weather conditions, they are temporary and can change over short period of time. Children, temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind, etc. These are called elements or factors of weather. Now we will study one by one about them. First is temperature. Temperature. Temperature, this decides the weather of a place. It tells how hot or cold a place is. The maximum temperature occurs at noon, and temperature is minimum at midnight or very early in the morning. Midnight means 12 o'clock, or very early means 5 a.m. in the morning. Temperature is measured by an instrument, and this instrument is called thermometer. Its units are degree Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. Degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit and Kelvin. The maximum and minimum temperature, so these are measured by a special thermometer, and that is called maximum and minimum thermometer. Maximum and minimum thermometer. Now in the peak, maximum and minimum thermometer, so this has been represented. Children, you can see it very carefully. On the right hand side it is written max, and on the left hand side it is written min, minimum. Okay, when the mercury level rises on both sides, maximum and minimum side, then maximum and minimum temperature is recorded. In the maximum side, the temperature range from -30 to 50 degrees Celsius, and on the minimum side the temperature range from -50 to 30 degrees Celsius. The next factor or element of weather is humidity. Humidity means the amount of water vapor present in air. So this is called humidity. Humidity, it is amount of water vapor present in the air. When air holds more water, then humidity is higher, and it is measured by an instrument, and this instrument is called hygrometer. Hygrometer is the instrument to measure humidity. Children, now you are seeing hygrometer, a diagram of hygrometer. Hygrometer, in this pic you are able to see it also indicated temperature from -10 to 50 degree, okay, and humidity from 0 to 100. Okay, so when the needle, wherever it point, it indicate the humidity on that particular time of the day. Now the next factor is rainfall, and rainfall depends upon the humidity. The more is the humidity, the greater is the chances of rain. Children, nowadays you are observing this. When the humidity is higher and it is hot, it feels hot, then there is a greater chances of the rainfall on that particular day. And rainfall, it is measured by an instrument called rain gauge. Children, rain gauge, this instrument measure amount of rainfall on a particular day. The next factor is wind. During summer, wind blows from hotter region to colder region, whereas in winter it blows from the mountain side to the plains in India, making the northern plains very cold. For example, wind from desert of Rajasthan.